Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a recovery email to Gmail, beginner tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in with your Gmail address and password if you are not already logged in. Look at the top right corner and click your profile picture or the Google account icon. In the menu that opens, click Manage your Google account. At the top of the Google account page, click the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the section called How You Sign In to Google. Find the option named Recovery Email and click it. If Google asks you to confirm your identity, enter your password again. On the recovery email screen, click the pencil icon or the Add Recovery Email option. Type the email address you want to use as your recovery email. Make sure this is an email you can always access and that you check regularly. Click Next to continue. Google will send a verification code to the recovery email address you entered. Open a new tab and sign in to that recovery email inbox. Find the email from Google with the verification code. Copy the verification code from the email. Go back to the Google account verification page. Paste the verification code into the code box. Click Verify to confirm the recovery email. Wait for the confirmation message that your recovery email has been added. If you want to double-check, refresh the security page and look again at recovery email. Confirm that the correct recovery email address is displayed there. If you entered the wrong address, click the recovery email option again. Choose to edit it and type the correct email address. Repeat the verification steps if Google asks you to verify the new address. For extra safety, also add a recovery phone number from the same security section. After finishing, sign out on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. You have now successfully added a recovery email to help you regain access if you forget your password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.